Robert Kiyosaki, High Cash Low Passive Income Ideas. Hello everyone and welcome to yet another exciting video on our channel. In this video, we will be reviewing Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant and why it should matter to you as you continue your journey on the path to financial freedom. Then we shall conclude the video by exposing 10 high cash flow passive income ideas that will not only make you side income, but also help you build more wealth. Have you heard of the Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant? It is a quadrant that many money-making tutors have used for years to teach income generation courses. The Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant is culled from Robert Kiyosaki's best-selling Rich Dad, Poor Dad book. Employee. People who fall under the employee side of the quadrant are workers who earn monthly or weekly income. According to Robert Kiyosaki, a significant percentage of the adult population fall under this category. They work jobs owned by sole proprietors or mega corporations, and their financial fortunes are tied to the jobs they do. Employees dedicate their time and energy to the job in exchange for financial pay. They make little money and their income stops when they stop working. Self-employed. Self-employed people are the second level of income generators, but they are not as many as employees. They represent a segment of society that prefer to work for themselves rather than others. They do work like employees, but the difference is that they work their own jobs. People in this quadrant are insurance agents, restaurant owners, laundromat owners, handymen, and any other trade you can think of. They have more control over their jobs, but their income is directly tied to their economic activity. Their income stops when they stop, and they tend to suffer long-term fatigue. Business owners. The B quadrant represents business owners who have created businesses and systems that can create wealth without their direct intervention. For such people, their business keeps generating income in their presence and absence. The employees and self-employed work in businesses created by business owners. They are financially more successful than employees and self-employed, and without their enterprises, the others cannot earn a living. Persons in the B quadrant are quite few and are some of the richest persons in society. Investors. Then we have the I quadrant that represents investors. This is the bullseye of Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant. People in this category make passive income by investing in businesses and ideas created by others. Investors buy shares in companies owned by business owners and earn income from the financial fortunes of the companies. Why is the Rich Dad's Quadrant so important? It is important because it provides a clear picture of the economic level of every human being on Earth. If you look closely, you should easily identify which level you occupy, and which level you'll like to aspire to. People on the business and investor quadrant are the most financially successful people in the world because they create more wealth than self-employed and employees. But how can you build passive income? Listen guys, it is possible to do it if you are willing to make the necessary sacrifice to succeed. Here are 10 passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. Number 10. Buying house properties to generate cash flow. Number 10 is an age-long practice that has catapulted many families into great wealth for generations, and that's investing in real estate. Buying properties at low prices and flipping them for profit is a strategy that never gets old. However, you will have to know how to spot good properties at the right time. Buying property is a good way to earn passive income because it makes your money work for you. You don't have to actively do anything to increase the value of the property. You only need to buy it, renovate it, if you have to then wait for the value to increase before selling for a profit. A smart business move if you ask me. Number 9. Write books but make sure they sell. But what if you can't afford to invest in real estate for now? All hope is not lost, dear friend. There are other passive income ideas, like writing self-help books, or any book for that matter, that readers will find valuable and place them on an online bookstore for sale. Writing a book requires very little investment capital on your path, just your expertise, but the profit-making potential is great. Writing a good book is only half of the potential though. You also need to market it properly to raise awareness. If the book is valuable, it can generate income for years to come. The internet is filled with authors making thousands of dollars on books they wrote years back. People are looking for information or entertainment, so if your book fits their needs, they will be willing to pay for it. Just find a niche and develop a good book to fit that need. Number 8. Internet-related businesses work great. The internet has created money-making possibilities that were non-existent just a few decades ago, and there are so many of them. Today, there are self-employed and salary earners who engage in online side hustles to earn extra cash on the side. Some even abandoned their day job at some point when they discovered that they could make more money from their side hustle than their main jobs. You can engage in internet-related work to earn passive income. Copywriting, graphic designing, editing, financial planning, and many more. In this day and age where remote work has become quite popular, many businesses are paying remote workers top dollar to handle certain tasks. You can engage in internet-related work to make extra money. Number 7. Invest wisely in stocks and mutual funds. Just like real estate investing, you can invest in mutual funds or stocks and cash out big in the nearest future. The beauty of stock and mutual funds investment is that you don't need a lot of money. You can start small and consistently build your portfolio over time. We hear stories of employees and self-employed people who built portfolios worth hundreds of thousands and millions by investing small amounts constantly. This is a smart way to build passive income because you don't have to do anything to build your wealth. You simply let your money work for you. And it is an investment method that Robert Kiyosaki recommends to his students. Number 6. Financial education. The key to wealth. 6 on our list is financial education. This one may seem confusing, but let me explain why financial education is a key to building wealth. You see, many people are poor today not because they earn little money, but because they have poor financial habits. The average person on the planet is motivated to address their wants today rather than sacrifice today for their tomorrow. The key to lasting wealth is to know how to spend money. Do you consume all you earn before the next paycheck, or do you set aside a small percentage for investment? If you improve your financial literacy, you will have more control over your cash flow, and in turn, you will make the right financial decisions. Number 5. Earned rentals. Still looking for passive income ideas? Earned rentals is another smart way to earn side income to augment your main income. If you have a home, you don't want to sell a car you hardly drive, you can convert these assets to money-making generators. Earn is a great platform to find short-term renters who will pay to use your property for a fee. Number 4. Crypto or Forex trading. The global crypto market witnessed a boom in 2017, but before then we've had Forex trading. Today, millions of people around the world trade Forex and cryptocurrencies for a living. Others trade part-time to make quick cash. The trick is simple. Buy low and sell at a higher price, or go long by holding the asset for a significant period. However, before you go this route, you need to learn the rudiments of online trading, and this takes time. If you apply yourself and learn trading skills, you can generate wealth slowly but surely selling Forex and other digital currencies on online trading platforms. Number 3. Start a blog or vlog. Are you a good writer or like working with cameras? You can start a blog or vlog about things that interest you. You will not start making money from it immediately, but as you attract and grow, your audience income will follow suit. Blogging is all about writing about things that interest you. Setting a blog will not cost much, but you need to post regularly to be successful. As you gain popularity online, you can sell advertising space. The same is the case with vloggers who publish videos on YouTube and other video sharing platforms. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Do you know about affiliate marketing? It is simply a partnership arrangement between an online vendor and agents who market their products and earn a percentage from the proceeds. This business model has generated millions for many and continues till this day. You can sell just about anything online these days. But here is the catch. You don't need to create any product yourself. All you need is to promote the product using your affiliate link and get paid for each unit you sell. There are millions of affiliate products out there. Just find one or a few you can market effectively. Number 1. Drop shipping. Last but not least on our list of passive income ideas is drop shipping. This one is similar to affiliate marketing, but you deal in tangible products like bags, shoes, phones, gadgets, and any physical item of value. It is a great way to earn passive income because you don't have to manufacture the product on your own or ship to buyers. You simply act as the middleman who connects buyers and sellers. Once a sale is made, the seller ships the product to the seller and pays you commission for the sale. Fortunately, there are social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and e-commerce platforms to find shoppers looking for products to buy online. There you have it, guys, our top 10 passive income ideas that can help you grow wealth. Let us know what you think. Is there any idea we didn't add to the list? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Please like our video and subscribe for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.